Children, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about an interesting topic. Air is useful to us. Air is very important for all the living things. See, living things means those or can eat or breathe or move from one place to another place and reproduce are called as living things. In that makes life on earth possible. It is an invisible molecule of gases and it is made up of billions of teeny gas molecules. It is moved around randomly. So air is very important. It is moved from speed. So without air, the earth would be lifeless planet. Earth is a important planet. In that, without the air, the earth is lifeless planet. The air has surrounded us from all sides. In fact, we live in the ocean air. Air is everywhere. We can feel, we cannot touch. It doesn't have any taste. Only we can feel air is moving from one place to another place. Air helps us in various ways. Now let us see from this video. Thank you for watching this. Because it is containing nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.04%, and water vapor, dust and smoke is containing in the air. So it is called mixture of gases. Air is all around us. When air moves gently, it is called breeze. When air moves fast, it is called wind. Air is the mixture of gases on the earth. A thick blanket of air surrounded the earth's surface is called atmosphere. The moving air is called as wind. These are the figures that moves with the help of wind. What is air? Air is the earth's atmosphere. Air around us is a mixture of many gases and dust particles. It is the clear gas in which living things live and breathe. It has an indefinite shape and volume. It has no color or smell. It has mass and weight. It is a matter as it has mass and weight. Air creates atmospheric pressure. There is no air in the vacuum of this cosmos. What are the properties of air? Air has mass, air occupies space or has volume, air has density, air exerts pressure. The air gives energy for the function of living things. Plants get their food from the event of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis happens with the help of oxygen. Nitrogen is very useful for the growth of plants as well as trees. Plants prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. So plants need air to make the food. Use of wind. Wind helps to move the sailboat. Wind moves the fan of the windmill. Parachutes can fly in the air. Air hot balloons also fly with the help of the air. Here, air is filled inside the balloon, so we can say air occupies space. Uses of air. Plants and animals need air to live. Human beings need air to breathe. Birds fly because there is air. We fill air in balloons, footballs and cycle tires. Air is needed for burning. Air is used to move things like kite, helicopter, sailboat and windmills. Air is needed for breathing for all living things like plants and animals and also human beings. Air keeps things up. Airbag and car tires, bike tires, body buggy wheels, life jacket, life rings, hovercraft, floaters or water wings. These things are working with the help of air. Importance of air. We need air to breathe in order to stay alive. Parachutes can fly in the air. Boats use the power of the moving air. Aeroplanes can fly in the air. Windmills make use of wind to generate electricity. Did you all observe here? Air is pumped inside the tires of those vehicles. Example, bus, car, lorry, cycles, auto and police car, hot air balloons and tractor, bicycles and helicopter. Now time is for assignment. Write the definition of atmosphere. Write the uses of air. What is air? What is needed to breathe for all living things? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't skip the video till the end.